Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth instalment of our mini-series showcasing Copilot for M365. This time we're looking at Word. Imagine this scenario. You have an e-bike company and you're looking to provide a user manual for every purchase of an e-bike. The problem that you have is translating this technical documentation into a user manual. This is where Copilot shines. We can use Copilot to speed up the writing process and improve the quality of the content. To create this user manual, we've opened a blank Word document. You're going to see the Copilot button, which we're going to click, which is drafting with Copilot. And we're going to type in our prompt. So create a user manual to be included with every e-bikes. And we're going to reference the file that was previously shown, which is our technical specifications. And we're going to generate. Copilot has sprung into action and has given us an output in seconds. As I'm sure you can agree, this has given us a more grounded foundations to work off as opposed to a blank Word document. As you can see, starting a Word document with Copilot is a complete game changer. Now that we've created the Word document from scratch, in the next video, we'll be looking at using the summary feature in Word.